I want us to find out, how do we make money on the go? Listen, the number one key to making money on the go is having a platform that people use their products or services every day, and you get paid for that. That's why I fell in love with Greenleaf. You saw what they showed you here. The company says nobody can access their products. We have so many of them. We have pillow. We even have slippers. We have so many products. And as people use their product every day, you get rewarded. Imagine from Coca-Cola says from henceforth, when people drink Coca-Cola, you get paid. Can you imagine how much you have made today? Can you imagine how much you make over the week? The system says we have this wonderful product. You saw the part. As women are menstruating, you get paid. You saw the water. As men are drinking to get power to fire, you get paid. You didn't see the soap. They didn't show the soap. We have soap. As people are bathing, you get paid. You have toothpaste. As people are brushing their teeth, you get paid. So you become an autopiloted income earner. When you enter the flight, there's a level we call auto cruise, where the flight will be cruising and the pilot will come and be greeting us. Are you okay? How are you? Are you doing the flight? And the flight is going. It's called auto cruise. He can't do that when they are descending. Until you begin to create income on auto cruise, you want your pastor. So anointing without money leads to what? Annoyance. Today, I want you to leave annoyance. How do we leave annoyance? I put here, be a money maker on the go. Today I was paid because people use my toothpaste. Today I was paid because people bath with my soap. Today I was paid because some women menstruated. KY says God cuts them every month. Today I was paid because people drank water. Last night I was paid because one man fired. Say, So ladies and gentlemen, something big is happening to our world. If your way of making money is only in Ghana, you are late. I repeat, if your only source of making income is in Ghana or in your geographical locale where you are late. The world is a global village. As much as you can stay in Ghana, make a call globally, be on Zoom globally, and people can access you. The same way you can be here in this room, make money globally. How? That's what I'm about to show you. So you have to pay attention. And let's tell you good news. COVID is not going anytime soon. Say good news. It's good news. Because COVID is business. To the average, it's a disaster. To the rich, it's business. You see, you're surprised. I'm going to buy no cancer. That's the average thinking. The rich people don't want allowed to go. So when it is going on, they'll bring a new variant. Delta variant. First you will hear of the Savan variant. It's like an app as it's going down. Because listen, when I was in Paris, I realized it was business. Because COVID, they made me miss my flight. I slept in Paris airport. I report the poor. And once I was sleeping there, I had to shop. There was only one hotel there. They said one night, 250 euro. I said, me, I won't spend that money. I'm not competing with anybody. I slept on that bench. And when I woke up, my hair was paining me. I took painkiller. Behold, here I stand it. Nobody knows I slept at the airport. Come for me now. So, we want to strategically position ourselves. We don't know when next they'll say there's a lockdown. Listen, I'm not a prophet, but I'm not surprised if next year by this time there's another lockdown. That's why I like Greenleaf. Our product boosts your immune system. Every day, last thing in the night, I drink Accra water. First thing in the morning, I drink Accra water. I stop eating meat because COVID is not going. I'm telling you. When COVID goes, some people go down, so they won't allow to go. So the guy saw it 15 years ago. He said the next world war will be through a biomedical weapon. Stop praying for COVID to go away. So me, I don't wear mask. I only wear mask for protocol sake. Because I have boosted my immune system. I don't eat sugar. I've stopped it. You have to exercise. Yesterday morning, I saw KY on the mountains, seizing the mountain of Lagos. I said, yeah, he's boosting immune system. So if COVID should die, what are we doing? Because jobs are going to be lost. Businesses will close. People will be laid off. People will be poor. Do you know that during COVID last year, new entrepreneurs emerged? Yeah. Even in Ghana. Yeah. Max, those mask sellers, Patience sellers, Veronica Baker sellers, Amanda Town sellers, Angelina soap, liquid soap. Yeah, people will become entrepreneurs at once. Where's Esther? Esther was selling those masks like biscuits because of COVID. So instead of praying that it should go, ask yourself, how can I take advantage of it? But you have to be mindful. Something is happening. What is that thing? And how do I push myself? Ladies and gentlemen, I'm about to blow your mind. I'm about to show you something that if you don't take time, the wages your family will take. You have gone to this secret, but it's not secret. So I beg you, in the next 5 minutes, give me the attention you have never given. If you have to put your phone on suspension for 5 minutes and be rich, if I were you, I'll sit on it. Because since January, you have been WhatsApping, you haven't made $1 million yet. Let's go quickly. So, it's going to be a journey. Say a journey. You see, any money that you make overnight is not correct money. Oh, hello. In Greenleaf, we built you to make sustainable income that can be transgenerational. The reason why the Sakawa people, they are today, tomorrow they are not, is because it's a win fortune. They make money overnight, they lose it overnight. But we say, no, we want to raise the next level millionaire. And money has changed location. Those days we were going to school, studying hard, getting good grades, looking for jobs. JOB, just overbroke jobs before we were able to get money. And money left the office to the streets. So on the street looking for money. Then COVID came. Everyone should be in the house. Money left the street and money went online. So Zoom. Most of you, if not for Zoom, you don't even know that you can meet people online. If not for Zoom, some churches will have collapsed. If not from Zoom, some schools will have collapsed. Because money change location. You see, when you know, until you know the location of a thing, you cannot access it. People are still looking for money in the job place. It's gone. Where is money? Money is in the virtual systems. Money is in the air. Money is online. Ladies and gentlemen, we are going to get started with you today. After today, whether you understand or you don't understand, be part. It's better you are part and you succeed. And you are not part. And then we are going to help you to build. It's not going to be, oh, come, join, go, bye-bye. No, we will build you. Like Tuesday, we are meeting in our corporate office in the heart of East Legon, American House. We are meeting 5 p.m. with our manager. He's going to take us through a mentors training. We have an office space for you. We have staff work for you. We have containers for you, products. So far, 4 containers are coming to Ghana. 1 has already landed for you. It is not something we are saying, oh, we are about to. No. The only thing we are about to is a factory. And the factory can only come when you and me are serious. I'm even afraid. Because he's going to Ivory Coast. Maybe he says, oh, when I went to Ivory Coast, when they are serious, Ghana put their foot on. Let's do it in Ivory Coast. Because, yeah, the ship goes where the grass is greener. And then we're going to duplicate it and then achieve more. All these things are the steps every rich man takes. When you come to my home office, I have a picture of Amazon when it started and now. Google when it started and now. And you can see that they went through stages. Microsoft. That is the steps of the righteous. It's like a shining light. So we're going to take you through a journey. And now this journey is going to involve a partnership. It's not a job. We ain't here to give you a job. No. Keep doing what you're doing. Some of you are doctors. Prophet John Ajapa, I can see you. You can have behind the mask. The only doctor who is a prophet. God bless you for coming. Yeah. From all the way from Kolebu. You see, when I saw the ladies doing this, I said, when a doctor is sitting down, he can use the doctorate terminology. So please, after hearing me, we summon you to join us by force. John Ajapa, God bless you. Happy belated birthday. So we are going to be in partnership with you on the platform of Greenleaf. And then we say, no, we don't want you to succeed alone. We are going to support you, give you a system that will make you speed up your process and your success story through a platform called VET. So this is not the regular network marketing, each one for himself, God for us all. You join, we say bye-bye, go and work. No, we work with you. We support you. We lock horns with you. Yesterday we did barbecue in the night, in the evening for the team. And And then the only variable here is you. Yes, we can be correct. Really can be correct. But if you is the issue, you cannot force the horse to drink water even when you take it to the river. So how do I make money, ladies and gentlemen? When we chose to work on a platform, When we came together and we created a system that will ensure people succeed, we said, you know what? A system that is hanging cannot succeed. We need a platform. Say platform. That's why a plane, no matter how fast it is, it needs a place to land. And we look at the age of the platform, the timing of the platform, the foundation of the platform. Mr. Jason already told you about the platform. By the age, it's over 22 years old. So we said, no, these guys can't use us as trial and error. Any mistake they should make, for over 20 years, they shall make it by now. Then the timing, he just said it. He said, there's no even star director in Ghana, in Africa for that matter. You know what that means? You are the next billionaire. I mean, you are the next millionaire. It's not by clapping, it's by taking action. So the timing is good. You know why the timing is good? COVID is here. People want to stay healthy. They need our cap. COVID is here. People want to stay healthy. They need our products. COVID is here. People are jobless. There's no job. Money is not there. They need our business. Use my product and I'll pay you. Is it rocket science? No. Just imagine. Pepsodent says, brush your teeth, and then I'll pay you on top. SKA c'est difficile. C'est pas difficile. C'est pas un problème. C'est la même chose là. Sorry, I'm in Ghana. I thought I was in France. I came from France, you know. I just came from Paris, you know. Hier, arrivé de Paris la semaine prochaine, quand on dépasse qu'il est ici à Paris, mais c'est organisé. No, the timing is right because listen to me. The factory is about to be set, and your country has been chosen. Number two, the CEO is in your country. Take advantage. And the foundation. He didn't tell a lot of things. They have banks, they have hotels, they have agriculture. They manufacture their own product. This is a company that has a third-party manufacturer and brings home. We manufacture our own products, and we have R&Ds. They have university partnerships all over, and over 9 different brands. Ladies and gentlemen, after myself and my partner, Mr. Kwabena, analyzed these 3 key pivots, we said, no, let's go with this company called Greenleaf International, which is what we have just shown you. So, how do we get paid? This is the only company that you don't just get paid, you get rewarded. When I'm done, the CEO will come to show you, we want to give cards. I don't know their target, but for us in Ghana, we say before the 12-month calendar ends, nothing less than 100 people should get a car. Say, yeah. You see, we say on a car, they haven't dashed you a car, that's why. I mean, a brand new car. Automobile. The first time I was given a free car award in Kempinski, around 3 a.m. I woke up and checked my window whether it's parked. It was like, no, it wasn't true. You see, it is good to have a car, but it is blessed to have a car you can pay for. Car for Greenleaf International. So, we are going to give you, we have residual income as part of our packages, the car incentive, the travel incentive, which I'll talk about, house incentive, scholarship incentive, etc. Now, this is the only company that has over 13 bonuses. 13 different bonuses. And please mark it down. Greenleaf pays you daily, not weekly, not monthly. Businessmen earn daily. It's employees that earn monthly. Write it down. So a company that pays you daily says you are a partner. How do you partner with the company? I'm going to show you very soon. It's very simple. It's very simple. The things you are doing every day, just change that into our platform. Get organic, better, health-based product. You are a partner, you get rewarded, you get paid, you have a business, you can travel across the world with it. Let's go quickly. So the first bonus, I call the team building bonus. The company says, let's use the concept in the Bible. 1 will chase 1,000, 2 will chase 10,000. Those who go to science don't know it. In mathematics, it's wrong. Mr. Kwabena studied mathematics. In maths, it's wrong. If 1 is 2,000, 2 is to 2,000. But the Bible says 1 will chase 1,000, but 2 will chase what? 10,000. It's called the law of compound effect. You will not understand where the effect came from. The system says all you need. If you are in this room, you can't do, don't join us. If you don't know 2 people in this room, I beg, when we finish, meet me. I will pray for you, lay hands on you before you go home. Is Reverend Peter gone? No. Reverend Peter is gone, eh? No. Good, he's around. You pray for them. The company says the moment you start bringing your two people every day, not every week, not every month, you can max a maximum of $1,650. US, not cedis. Now, listen to me carefully. This amount here is not because you are hard working, it's because you are smart working. This amount is the max. It means you can make below that. But listen to me. When we start and you join the business, we have partners and leadership training that we break it into pieces how you can make this money with ease. But for the purpose of this meeting, this is the max when it comes to team building bonus. Then we have the group growing bonus. As the name goes, as your group grows, if you bring me, I also want money. I got to also build. As I'm doing that, I become a group for you. So we are growing. As we are growing, as your team grows, they come say, wow, congratulations, congratulations, congratulations. Today your team grew. Yesterday your team grew. Tomorrow it will grow again. Take this, take that. So for a team growing bonus, the company says you can earn up to 570 daily. Now listen to me. When group growing bonus starts, you can't control it. After some time, because maybe the team are more, maybe you have one leg in Ivory Coast, one leg in Nigeria, and they are on fire. You can't control it. So the company says, don't worry, every day you'll be taking fast 70. I know some people want to decode this, but it's not going to be easy. Because when you have a team in Uyo who are on fire, a team in Abidjan who are on fire, you can't call them today, wait, tomorrow, no. So as you do this, we did an analysis. We said, okay, assuming all things being equal, you max, this is the maximum. You can make below this, okay? Please note it down. It's not guaranteed that every day take this home. It means you can make up to. Please write it down before we take Papa, you said every day I'll make this. I'm not looking what happened. No, you can make up to. Okay? Jason, you're my witness. Oh. We said, okay, assuming you can make this daily, what happens after 30 days? Behold, what we saw. Behold, what we saw.
Son of man.
Son of man. I'm telling you, if the son of man gets this one every month, some of you backslide. I'm telling you. So the company says, you make it, but it will come through a process. You have to build. So in the beginning, you will see small money. It is going to, you want to see whether you backslide or you see around. Then it becomes small. Green leaf lasts you so much. Because some of you, if you make a meal that today you die. I'm telling you. Oh, I have a sister. She made, I think, her first $3 million. She got up to wore pajamas to the bank. I want money. Ladies, she had a money code. All she went to do it. They were trying to stop her. When she went there, I want to see my balance. When she saw her balance, then she went back. In her money, Master, and for the 2 years, when you have money here, you can wear slippers to parliament. But when you don't have money, Master, dress to kill. When I come and put on shoulder pad. Ladies and gentlemen, then we have sales balance. The company say, you know what? Because it's 2 legs, as the thing is balancing, maybe you have 1 year, that's balanced. Okay, don't worry. As I said, we have trainings where we explain this in total. If I start breaking it down, now some of you remember your elective mathematics lecturer who was very wicked, who didn't teach well. Okay, so the sales balance is practically every month you can make over $13,000. This max with a sales balance. And as I said, how did we come to this? When we join us, we do trainings to explain this, and you say, oh, some of you can even break this based on what it is. Now we have the leadership bonus. I love this bonus because this one doesn't create enmity. Assuming he brought me whatever I made, the company says, thank you for bringing Baba Solo. Take a token. They will not do that for me, but they'll give me a percentage of what I've earned. Up to 14 generation deal. 14 means he brought me, I'm his first generation. I brought him, he's your second generation. He brought me, he's your third generation. Et cetera. Jusqu'à 14e génération. Est-ce que tu comprends ça? Yeah. You see, you are blessed to have a presenter who can speak French and Arabic. All right. Now we have where the magic is. The company says what? After the end of every month, try to use product. You bath, buy soap to bath. You brush your teeth, buy stupid to brush your teeth. Ladies, you menstruate, buy the pad. Use our product. Use body cream, use it. We have lipsticks. Recently, I saw Coffee. Coffee is coming. I can't wait for it. This organic, healthy-based coffee. It's not the caffeine, the one that will crash your head. This is the one that when you take, it boosts your immune system. And those men who have been disgracing us, 2-3 minutes. You see, as a man, minimum 3 hours. Say,
Power.
My bishop is here. He will think about sliding. Bishop, allow me to do business. Right. So the company said, as you are buying those products, you can earn up to 60th generation. This is the only company I see you can earn up to 60th generation. Oh, clap for this one. Now listen to me. What done my 60th generation? At the end of the month, when everybody in your team buys products, we call it maintenance. Some company call it auto ship. It's very necessary because you can't always be bringing people to talking to people. After some time, we can say, well, you know what? We don't want anybody in our business again. If we all do maintenance, everyone will get paid. This is the secret of Amazon. Alibaba, people buy. That's all. So they have something they call it passive income. You do something once, but that thing pays you over and over and over and over and over and over. It's called passive income, and that's the number one secret of the rich. Don't tell you. They'll tell you work hard. You know, hard work is a lie. That's all. It's a lie. You got to get a system, a platform, activate it, streamline it, and let it go for you. You know how hard working we've been working? Carrying pong. Nothing happened. It's not by hard working. It's by getting the right platform and working smart with the right team. And you have it here. Clap for Green Leaf International. Now I'm feeling you. Now do not see you are sleeping. What's the name of that? Clap for DJ Bim. Yeah. So the company says the maintaining bonus you can max 30%. And this one is monthly. This is not daily. This is monthly. But this is a beautiful thing. Say beautiful thing. Say beautiful thing. We realize that in America, multi-level marketing business raise millionaires and billionaires. People buy yachts, some even buy private jets out of network marketing. But in Africa, it is fake billionaires. I am a billionaire. Meanwhile, he's in trouble. I'm a billionaire. Meanwhile, the body odor. That's all. So we sat down and said, no. The reason why in America and Europe, they produce billionaires and millionaires in this industry is that, you see this meeting, after this meeting, you see Africa, we continue one, but I'm going to take out 10 and come. I'm going to do for money and come. You see, but in America, hey, I'm interested in your business. How much is it? Then you take credit card, credit card, and then sign on. Credit means it's not his own money. At the end of the month, the system automatically takes from them. Like I've subscribed for Netflix, I'm not even watching. But every month they did that. Zoom, they say. I don't even watch Netflix again. But every month they did that. I'm looking for someone to watch for me. Now, when that happens, the company makes money. The person who uses credit, it's not his own money, also makes money. He's able to pay the credit, and everybody rises. But Africa is not that. We need manual. Even when you have your own money, you have to go and look for bank. Oh, true. To deposit, to go and queue for a lady to insult you and eye you first before you deposit. Oh, true. Yeah. Where's Princess people? Yeah, bank. No. We sat down with management. We met the CEO. We said, no, we want to create millionaires out of Green Leaf. We have the solution. Can you do this automatic, auto-maintaining? That after some time in the business, at a particular rank, every month, compulsory, whether you like it or yes, the system will deduct your money for your maintenance. So you go for your product, and then your maintenance is done. And when that happens, everyone will do it without any pressure. And what that means is that with just 2 people up to 60th level, with only 450 PV, from level 1 to level 10, this is how much the Son of Man can make. All things being equal. Remember that word. All things being equal. Trebus parebus. Oh, the pastor said we'll make this one every man go. So I'm waiting for it. No. All things being equal. When you achieve a particular rank and the deductions start taking place. Up to 10 generations alone. If I got that 450 PV and the leverage is just two people, all things being equal, this is how much you can make. And I know some of you here, you know human beings like water, especially the ladies here. All the guys who disappointed you, bring them to me. We'll get them to the business. Now we said, okay, not everybody maybe might be able to do 450. What about 15 PV? 15 PV for 70 Ghana cedis, 72 Ghana cedis, or 70 Ghana cedis. Every month, let the system deduct 70 Ghana cedis and pay us in product. If this happens up to 60th generation, in fact, from level 10 to level 60 alone, ladies and gentlemen, without any demonic attack, you can make over $2 million. Wow. I don't like showing this because if you haven't seen money, it doesn't make sense to you. I was in Texas and that guy was saying, this year, I haven't made much money. Can you imagine? I only made $3 million. And it was no man. He was disappointed. And I have to behave like a rich man. I said, oh yeah, they didn't do well at all. I have to behave like, yeah, oh yeah, no, that's not like rich. And then say, hey, I said, come on. That's a joke, man. And I was saying in my head, hey, 50,000 crowns again. Sure. I just made $3 million. Can you imagine someone giving 8 months? Only $3 million. This is nonsense. This government, the Republicans, and I was like, oh, they didn't do well. Ladies and gentlemen, this is nothing if you understand what I'm talking to you, if I can't put that range. And this is based on that system. This is why Americans are producing billionaires. So in their business, people become billionaires. They buy yachts, they buy private jets. Then we have the team maintenance bonus. When your team does maintenance, you get paid. When you yourself you do maintenance, the company pays you. What that simply means that every month when you buy product to use, they still pay you. Isn't it fair? Yeah. Today, some of you use Pepsodent or Maxam. Did they pay you? No. And then they say maybe do only 15. You are required to do 15 PV. But you did more than that, extra. They'll pay you personal extra. Oh, clap for Gillis more. He's always late. When we finish, see Kewa register you. I think when he registers, you pay attention. And I know, so you want to join, you should join. When you join finish, then you can pay attention. Now, the company says, we want to make you a millionaire. Don't just eat all your money. Every month, when we pay you, a portion of your money should be taken and put aside for legacy income or welfare incentive. So you see that when you become a rank called manager, you begin to see points in your back office. 1 point, 2 point, 7 point, 0 point, 1 point, 0.5 point. Those points are money. 1 point equals to $100. So after maybe 6 months, 1 year, if you see 1,000 points, guess what? $10,000. And this one, you don't get it weekly or daily. It's called legacy. I call legacy income. It is stored for you so that after some time, so you know what they did it? They categorize into, look at it, into car welfare points, travel welfare point, house welfare point. So assuming we are going to the US, you didn't qualify. You can come to Mr. Jason Chu. Jason, check my travel points. What is the budget for US? Maybe, example, $1,000. If they check your welfare, your travel point is up to 1,000 or more, you can instruct them to take it and add it to the trip. You qualify. Maybe you are building a project, your house, you are not doing roofing, you need money. You say, sir, I'm building my house, this is the document. I need money to roof. Can you check my house incentive point? They check. Oh, you only have 150 points. You know what that means? $15,000. Sharp. So, I tell my guys, don't touch your car incentive points. Because the car you want to drive, because the car you want to drive, maybe they cannot, the budget of the car promo will not get there. But your incentive points can take you there. So today, when Mr. Jason launches the car, Don't say, no, this budget can't buy my dream car. Don't worry. You qualify first. Then go to him. Check my car points. Because I want to drive maybe a Mercedes G-Wagon. Maybe I want to drive a Range Rover Vogue. When they add it, you can go and buy it. They will say no, because it's your own point. Clap for Green Leaf International now. Okay, this time. And we shall travel incentive. Because of time, I won't go through the video. These are videos of we going to, how do you call it, China trip, the Nigerian team, the South African team. DJ Vim, if I thought he was going to even put some microphone there, he doesn't mind me. Okay? So this is the office. This is Ghana, Nigeria, Namibia team going there to see the tour. Now, I'm showing you this because, listen carefully, very soon, when the COVID is over, there will be China trip, full expense paid trip, accommodation, flights, tour, feeding. Are you with me?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Is it coming? Yeah. So Team Ghana. Oh, Team Ghana! Team Ghana! Are you ready? Yeah. Now, I'm showing this video because when I saw it, I was sad. I was sad. Because in Ghana, when we say let's go, we are taking over 100 people. Say, I am back. I am back. Yeah. And the exciting thing is that you don't pay anything. You don't pay anything. So I tell people, if you don't have a passport and you are sitting here, the moment you leave this place, 2 things: register. Secondly, get your passport. Because any miracle can happen. Let's go, because of time. This one is almost ended. Let me just, I understand the question, just move. We are preparing for Dubai. And the Dubai trip is full expense paid. Currently, we have over 30 people who qualify just within 2 months of launching. Clap for Green Leaf International. And they are all Ghanaians. Okay, that is the good news. Say the good news. Oh, say the good news. Something better is happening. And the manager, I will invite him very soon to come and show you the American trip. You know why I'm showing you this picture? When we launched the car promo, I told you what, within 2 months, 1 month, 3 months, some people must qualify in Ghana. It's easy. Let people change their brand and get a car to be difficult. You've been doing it every time. That's why the guys, especially the women, if you are here, you like gossiping, it's your business. We want gossipers. And then we do recognitions and awards all over globally. Okay, this is our car incentive currently. These are some of our old car incentives, as you can see on the screen. And the beautiful thing about Green Leaf is that when you go to China, which we want to do it in Ghana here, the only model of cars they give is Benz and Porsche Cayenne, Porsche. And I tell people, until you drive Benz, you understand why some people love Benz. DJ, give us some. Now, I want to watch this video. It's very inspiring. This thing is going to happen in Ghana. I said this thing is going to happen in Ghana. Yeah. We want Mr. Jesse Chu to come back and give people their cars. We will do it. Yeah. That's the founders. This is Nigeria. Nigeria. So Ghana is our time. This is a Singapore or Malaysia? Taiwan. Okay, Taiwan. Anytime I watch this video, I'm sad. You know why? No Ghana picture. No Ghana picture on it. But you know why? This is our time. I want to be playing this same video in December, January, and all the pictures we see is Ghana picture. I said Ghana picture. Now, look at Green Leaf China, Malaysia. Only thanks. This is the standard. And we, Team BET, Team Value Empire Trade, we say we have to do what it takes to ensure that our members drive Benz, not Kia Picanto, not Toyota Vitz. Yeah. Yeah, I love this video. Women, are you here? Women, are you here? Okay. Men, are you here? You see, only women, no. Only women. But in Ghana, you don't see our women. Yeah, watch it. Be inspired. You see the women? You see the women? I'm back one. Born for beauty and wealth. We are waiting for you. I said we are waiting for you. Are you ready? Your car is ready. Ladies and gentlemen, this is what we have done, and it is the term of Ghana. And our CEO will come and show you our plan. And after the plan, he will show you how to qualify for it. Oh, you didn't clap. No. Let me jump this quickly, and then let's go to. Good, I have this testimony. It's a young lady from South Africa, Durban, Zimbabwe. Sorry, within 4 months. 4 months. Ladies, are you here?
Yes.
What's Elon, Priscilla, Eunice, Esther, Patience? It's not Arianata. Look at your colleague. Uyonkuba. Your colleague. She saw, she came, she saw, and she won. Okay. In December, ladies, I want to put one of you. Look at Ellen. Look at Patience. Look at Esther. Look, then I'll be mentioning names. All of the ladies. Eunice, are you there? Shout. You see, young lady, she's still in school. Wow. Look at, if you are here, your husband is not here. Tell him, I'll say something, come and let's do it. If you are here, watch the tell him, let's do it, because two are better than one. Mr. and Mrs. Tio King Hog. Malaysia. They are not hungry, if they are doing it, and we that are hungry, that's why we are poor.
We got bonfire answer.
Then we have house incentive. When you become a star director, 3, you get a house incentive. House fund up to the tune of 2.5 million RMB. But when I brought it to CDs, dollars, it's about $300 million. $300,000. Yeah. It's a lot of money. Because we want to raise people who can leave a legacy. It's not just by making weekly pay. So be part of the family. It's simple. We have packages. We have the bronze, silver, gold, platinum, diamond, and crown. Okay? To join the bronze is 500 cedis, silver is 1,000, gold is 1,002, platinum is 1,005, diamond is 6,000, and crown is 9,000 up to 12,000. Now, the difference between this is that the bigger the package, the more the product. The bigger the package, the higher way of earning. So, assuming he and I were in the business, I joined with bronze, he joined with crown, and this month I made 10,000 points on the PV. We also made 10,000 points in PV. I am bronze. I will only get 5% of it. He is a crown. We'll get 12% of it. 10% of it. Who earns more? The crown. So the higher the better. But hey, start with your strength and quickly upgrade. Okay. Start with your strength and quickly upgrade. Life starts from somewhere, but don't die there. Some people join with something for the past 3 months, they're still there. If you are here, you haven't upgraded, upgrade. If you upgrade this week, there's a special package for you from the CEO. So, now if you want to own a country, now we are looking at people who take over countries like Ivory Coast, okay? We are looking at Tanzania and other countries, okay? If they can pay as much as $300,000, the company will ship container to them to be the country service center. So, what that means that all the regional service center will take from him, all the individuals will also take from the regional service center, and so on. Then, if you want to become own a region, okay, in Ghana we have 16 regions. Okay, so far many regions are available. If you want to take a region, next week we are going to Tamale because we have a service center there. So we're going to Tamale to go and launch the service center. Okay? If you want to take a region, $50,000 only. Now remember, this no money you pay to a company is for your products and e-wallet. And then we have the own a branch. If you want to own a local branch in Medina, Adenta, okay? VET, we give you a package of 45,000. Okay? We give you three crown account for Greenleaf, and then we give you all the support you need to be able to boost your business and then a travel incentive at our level as Green at VET. So let me jump this quickly. Okay, good. So why do you choose Greenleaf? Okay, there's no time to go through this. Now, Greenleaf pays you as a partner. Oh, hello? When you partner, you get paid. If you are a product user, you get paid. If you are a distributor, you get paid. If you are an investor, you get paid. But before you can become a product user, a distributor, and an investor and get paid, you must be a partner. So after this evening, we are going to call for those of you who will register quickly. Let's get into the system and let's run. Because tomorrow we are doing partners training. Tuesday, we are doing all leaders and partners training with the CEO. He's going to take us through how to qualify for all the incentives. Ladies and gentlemen. Oh, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, ladies and gentlemen. Joe Boy!